Hey, it's Craig. Can I share something a little vulnerable with you? There was a moment in my affiliate marketing journey when I was ready to quit, not consider it, not debate it. I was done. I had spent months trying every strategy I came across, pouring hours into research and signing up for programs that promised the world but left me more frustrated than before. Nothing was working, and I started to believe maybe it wasn't the programs. Maybe it was me. If you've ever felt stuck like that, where nothing clicks, and you're questioning if this is even possible, I want you to keep watching, because today I'm going to tell you about the moment that turned everything around for me. The moment where belief went from impossible to unshakable. It didn't come from luck or overnight success. It came from using a program that connected the dots for me. That program was the Millionaire Partner System, MPS. By the end of this video, you're going to know what MPS is, how it works, and most importantly, how it can help you reclaim the belief that you can succeed at affiliate marketing. I'll also show you how to combine it with Toolkit 7, your partner stack to maximize your success. If you're tired of guessing, struggling, and doubting, this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. When I started affiliate marketing, I thought success would come with hard work. And don't get me wrong, that's true to an extent. But what no one tells you is that working hard without the right systems and direction only leads to burnout. And if I'm being honest, that's exactly where I ended up. I was spinning my wheels, jumping from strategy to strategy, hoping for some hidden formula to reveal itself. But no matter what I tried, I couldn't seem to make it work. I felt like I was stuck in quicksand. The harder I tried, the deeper I sank. One night, after a particularly tough day, I stumbled onto the Millionaire Partner System, MPS. I didn't expect much. I just thought, what's one more program at this point? But as I started to explore what MPS offered, it didn't feel like the programs I'd tried before. There wasn't a ton of fluff, and it wasn't asking me to figure everything out by myself. It felt like someone had handed me a lifeline. I dove in. The system gave me a done-for-you funnel and email sequences tailored for affiliate marketing. It wasn't overwhelming. It wasn't overcomplicated. It just worked. I set up my funnel and followed their step-by-step guidance. And here's the part I'll never forget. Within 3 weeks, I saw my first commission roll in. It was just $29, but that $29 meant everything to me. It wasn't just money, it was proof. Proof that I wasn't wasting my time. Proof that all the effort I'd put in could pay off. That moment taught me something important. Success in affiliate marketing isn't about doing it all yourself. It's about finding the right tools to help you move forward one step at a time. Now, I want to talk about something I hear from beginners all the time. They tell me, Craig, isn't using a done-for-you system like MPS cheating? Listen, I get it. I used to feel the same way. But here's what I've learned after being in this business for years. Done-for-you systems aren't cheating. They're training wheels. Think back to when you first learned how to ride a bike. Did you hop on and just ride perfectly from the start? Probably not. Most of us needed training wheels to get moving and build confidence. Once we got comfortable, we didn't need the training wheels anymore. Done-for-you systems like MPS work the same way. They give you momentum when you're just starting out. They help you build small wins so you can gain the confidence to keep going instead of spinning your wheels in frustration. Here are just a few reasons why I believe done-for-you systems are powerful for beginners. They eliminate overwhelm. Instead of trying to figure out 100 moving parts, you get a clear step-by-step process to follow. They build belief. Quickly, when you see your first commission come in, even if it's small, it sparks something inside you. They are a starting point, not the destination. You're not stuck with the system forever. Once you learn the ropes, you can tweak and scale it to match your unique goals. For me, MPS wasn't just a program. It was the program that reminded me I could succeed, and I want it to be that for you too. The Millionaire Partner System, MPS, focuses on 3 main things every beginner needs to start seeing results in affiliate marketing. Done-for-you funnels. When I first started, building funnels felt like trying to learn a foreign language. With MPS, I didn't have to overthink it. The funnels were ready to go right out of the box, and they were designed to convert. Example, I used the lead generation funnel included in MPS to capture my first 10 leads. Those leads turned into commissions within weeks. Automated email, Sequences, follow-ups can make or break your results. MPS includes pre-written email sequences that nurture your leads and guide them toward making a purchase. Example: the email sequence I used was so effective, I still model my own follow-ups after it today. Building momentum. MPS empowers beginners by helping them earn while they're still learning. Testimonial: James from Chicago said, I used the Millionaire partner system to set up my first funnel. Within 10 days, I earned my first $70 commission. It wasn't life-changing money, but it was life-changing proof. Glenn Kosky, the creator of MPS, put it best when he said, Craig's subscribers are some of our most successful MPS affiliates. We love what they're building. Now, MPS is powerful on its own, but combining it with Toolkit 7, your partner stack takes everything to another level. Toolkit 7 includes the exact resources I use to streamline and scale MPS. Here's what's inside and how it helps you succeed faster. Pre-built templates. These save you time by giving you plug-and-play funnels and email sequences. You don't have to create them from scratch. Visual thumbnails. Professional thumbnails for your social content that grab attention and drive more traffic. Step-by-step, but setup was. Guides. These simplify the process of aligning MPS with your other tools so you don't get stuck during implementation. Bonus resources, insider strategies, and automations that help you create consistent momentum. When I added Toolkit 7 to MPS, I went from earning my first commission to earning my first $1,000. The combination of these two tools made all the difference for me. I'm not the only one who's experienced breakthroughs with MPS. Here are just a couple of stories from other CashWave subscribers who turned their belief into results. Mia from San Diego. I was skeptical of done-for-you systems, but MPS showed me what was possible. Toolkit 7 made everything so easy to set up, and now I'm earning consistently. Elijah from New York. Craig's story gave me the push I needed to try MPS. Within a month, I was earning commissions and finally felt like I had direction. Here's the truth. You don't have to struggle like I did. If you're tired of guessing, frustrated with your progress, or on the verge of giving up, I want you to take the first step with Millionaire Partner System MPS today, and don't stop there. Pair MPS with Toolkit 7, your partner stack, to fast-track your results and build something consistent, scalable, and uniquely yours. Here's what you need to do next. Use the links below to get started with MPS and download Toolkit 7. Leave a comment sharing your biggest struggles in affiliate marketing. I read every comment and want to help you overcome those challenges. Subscribe for video 7, where I reveal the one platform that finally helped me scale without showing my face on camera. Your success is closer than you think. Build your system, rebuild your belief, and step into what's possible. I'll see you in the next video.